The automotive world has been shocked by rumors of the launch of the Honda Xl750 Transalp Rothmans Edition in the near future. This news became even stronger after the circulation of rendering images which were thought to be the design of the motorbike, which was conceptualized by famous designer Oberdin Bezzi. So keep watching. To sweep the field of the now countless proposals for crossover motorcycles equipped with the same 750cc forward-facing twin-cylinder, freely taken from the Honda engine, the Japanese company itself could decide to make its own proposal in this area, which evidently has its own thriving market. The Xl750 should be a very clear dual-purpose bike with absolutely no unnecessary frills or stylistic excesses typical of Chinese products. Pragmatic in shape but very well equipped on a chassis level with superior quality wheels, brakes and suspension, as well as a manufacturing care decidedly unknown to its competitors. Motorcycle for all uses, like the single-cylinder enduros of the 1980s, of which it takes up the philosophy and qualities of sturdiness and reliability that prove it. An iconic Rothmans livery would close the circle for this model, which despite an obviously higher price list would offer unassailable credentials. From the rendering images circulating, it can be seen that the Honda Xl750 Transalp Rothmans Edition has an impressive appearance, dominated by the typical Rothmans blue and white colors that characterized the legendary era of motorbike racing. The iconic Rothmans emblem is also clearly visible on several parts of the motorbike. Although there has been no official confirmation from Honda regarding the truth of this rumor, several sources say that the launch of this special model will be a form of celebration for Honda to commemorate the history of the Honda's Enduro, which has spanned several decades. Is the Honda Xl750 Transalp Rothmans Edition really going to launch soon? We are waiting for further information. That's all.